Bitcoin have broken out of this falling wedge. A falling wedge in an uptrend is a continuation pattern. What that means is this market is going to move to the upside. Not only that, if you look at it, the market have already created a new high, had a previous high at this very point, which is very, very significant on the chart, as you can see right now. And on ETH right here, market is still down, but it has broken this very falling wedge as well. What are we expecting in this market? Is this market on ETH going to move all the way upward, and also on Bitcoin? All of these and more into the technical analysis. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. On the Bitcoin chart, we've seen an important increase in the price from the bulls, because on Wednesday, right here, we have the US CPI data, and after that data release, market begin to move upward on that very Wednesday, and then up till this very moment, market is going to move to the upside. Reason why market has broken this very level of important resistance. Not only that, out of this very falling wedge, I made mention of the market breaking on this very level of resistance right here, which is a very key resistance on the chart right now. And if you look at it very well, the market was moving downward. There is a reduce in momentum around this very area, as you can see on the chart. If you take a little reading of the market from here, market move down, we have field swing, market come back, create a new low, we have market move upward, come back down, create a new low, market move, and then could not create a new high at this very point. And then from this very area, market begin to move to the upside. This is where you see a reduced momentum on the chart right here. And that is the reason why I am expecting the market to still move upward to this very area before we can see any retracement to the downside. I am expecting the market to move into the $70,000 and $71,000 level on Bitcoin. This is my expectation. And the reason is because we've broken out of this very falling wedge. Not only that, we've also broken out of this very important resistance on the chart right here. So this is one of the things you have to pay attention to right now on your chart and trade in line with what we are seeing in the market right now. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, something very important here is, if you look at it, the market has been moving upward. Okay, after that very CPI data, we see the market move upward, we have retracement, and the market is moving upward again. But something very important right here is, if you look at this, market move upward and then retrace, and then we are seeing a reduced momentum from the bulls around this very area, which means the market have possibility of retracing back down before that continuation. And not only that, this very point where the market is right now is an important resistance right at this very point. So market have the capacity of retracing back down before continuation to the upside. So what I am expecting right now on the BTC 4-hour chart is for the market to move a little bit upward, and then from this very area of 68 and where the market is right now, we should have a little retracement to the downside and then continuation to the upside. So it is still advisable for you to look for buy or long opportunity on BTC USDT, even though retracement is going to come into the market, and then that buy or long opportunity will be presented before that very movement to the upside. So this is what you have to pay attention to right now on the BTC USDT 4-hour chart. And on the ETH chart, if you look at this very chart right here, a breakout of this very falling wedge is very important, but we still need the market to push a little bit further to further verify that this market is going to still push to the upside, approaching this very level of $3,700. So I am expecting that the market should push a little bit into this very point, creating a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point. Once we see that, then the market is going to move to the upside. Now, one more thing on this very 1 day chart ETH/USDT, if you look at it, momentum have reduced around this very point. Market move all the way downward and then retracement, come back down, retrace, move down, retrace again, and then we see reduce momentum around this very area. This is a very big sign that the market is going to push back to the upside after a breakout of this very falling wedge pattern, just like we can see right now on this very chart. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at this very area, you see the market is moving upward. Okay, so after this very move, market come back down, and then we are seeing this move right now. What I am expecting from this very chart is for the market to push back upward and create a new high, higher than the previous high on this very level of resistance. Once we can push back upward, which is what I'm expecting right now, then retracement will be possible before that next move upward again, in line with the 1 day chart on ETH/USDT. So on the immediate short term on ETH, expect the market to push back upward and then maybe possible creation of a new high, then retracement to the downside, and then continuation upward again, in line with what we are seeing on the 1 day chart. So this is very important. These are the things you need to pay attention to right now as we begin to see the market move back to the upside after the CPI data that was released on Wednesday. So expect this market on ETH to move upward, okay? And after we have a breakout of this very level of resistance right here, then the market is going to have a severe move to the upside. We are going to confirm that the market has already started the next move in line with this very move that we see right here in the market, correction, and then the next move to the upside. This is very, very important and what you should apply in your trading strategy. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you have not registered on Binance, OKX, KuCoin, and Bybit, the link in the description, check it out and claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching.